Have you ever noticed how sometimes seniors can feel a little lonely or need a bit more motivation to stay active? It's normal, but did you know that dogs can actually be the perfect solution? Having a dog around can bring so much joy, companionship, and even a reason to get out and take a walk. But not all dogs are the right fit for seniors. Some are too energetic or need a ton of care. That's why in today's video, we're talking about the best dog breeds for seniors. These are dogs that are chill, loving, and just the right size and energy level to match a senior's lifestyle. Whether it's for company, a little extra activity, or just having a loyal buddy by your side, we've got the solution. Stick around and let's find the perfect pup for the golden years. Number 1. Cocker Spaniel. Cocker Spaniels are gentle and sweet with those soulful eyes that melt hearts. They're also incredibly loyal and love to join in on family activities, from hikes to lazy afternoons. They are medium-sized dogs weighing 20 to 30 pounds and are known for their gentle and lovable nature. They're active but don't require extensive exercise, just moderate walks and playtime. Their silky coats need consistent grooming, but their eager-to-please attitude makes them easy to train. These loyal dogs form strong bonds with their owners and are wonderful emotional companions. Their friendly nature makes them great for seniors, and they typically get along well with other pets. Cocker Spaniels thrive in a loving environment where they feel part of the family. Number 2. Maltese. Maltese dogs are small, weighing just 4 to 7 pounds. They are known for their sweet and lively personalities. These dogs thrive on human interaction and require minimal exercise, making them ideal for seniors who prefer short walks or indoor play. The Maltese is a little dog with a big heart. Known for their silky white coats, they're also fearless and surprisingly playful, often acting like a much bigger dog trapped in a tiny body. Their silky coats need regular grooming, but they can be kept short for easier maintenance. Maltese dogs are great lap companions and shed very little, making them a good choice for those with mild allergies. Despite their size, they are quite alert and make excellent watchdogs, quickly alerting their owners to anything unusual. They bond deeply with their owners and thrive in a calm, affectionate environment. Number 3. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Corgis are energetic, intelligent, and very affectionate. Weighing 24 to 30 pounds, they're sturdy but not too large. They enjoy daily walks and playtime, but are also content in apartments as long as they get regular exercise. Corgis are famous for their short legs and big personalities. They're herding dogs at heart, so don't be surprised if they try to herd you during playtime. It's adorable. Corgis are easy to train and great for seniors who enjoy teaching their pets new tricks. Plus, their alert nature provides a sense of security. Their playful nature makes them wonderful companions, and they tend to get along well with other pets. With their thick double coat, regular grooming helps manage shedding, but their loyalty and charm make the effort worthwhile. Number 4. Poodle. Poodles are awesome dogs that are smart and easy to train. These dogs love sticking to a routine, like daily walks, some playtime, and even brain games like puzzles. They're all about spending time with their people and are really good at picking up on emotions. Their curly coats look fancy, but need some upkeep. You'll need to brush them a few times a week and take them to the groomer about once a month to keep their fur from getting tangled. Poodles are great for seniors because they're loving, gentle, and not too high energy. Plus, they're hypoallergenic, so they're perfect for anyone with allergies. They come in different sizes: toy, miniature, and standard. So there's a poodle for everyone, no matter how much space you have. Number 5. Bishon Frise. The Bishon Frise is a cheerful, friendly, and playful little dog. Despite their fluffy appearance, they're surprisingly low maintenance. A monthly trip to the groomer is usually enough to keep their coat looking great. They weigh between 7 and 12 pounds and are easy to handle. The Bishon Frise is known for its cheerful and playful personality. These fluffy little dogs love to perform tricks and make their owners laugh, often described as living stuffed animals. Plus, their hypoallergenic coat makes them a great choice for allergy sufferers. They can make perfect companions for seniors who can devote time to play and short walks. These happy-go-lucky pups typically live 14 to 15 years and bring joy wherever they go. Bichons are also adaptable. They'll be just as happy in a cozy apartment as in a house with a yard. Number 6. Basset Hound. With their laid-back and affectionate personality, Basset Hounds are perfect for seniors seeking a relaxed companion. They weigh 40 to 65 pounds but have short legs, making them easier to manage. These dogs have a nose for adventure. Their incredible sense of smell makes them excellent trackers, and their long, droopy ears help sweep scents toward their noses. Bassets enjoy leisurely walks and lounging around, and their short coat requires minimal grooming. These dogs are gentle and loyal, forming deep bonds with their owners. They're also known for their hilarious expressions and silly antics, which always bring a smile. While they can be a bit stubborn at times, their lovable personality more than makes up for it. And if you still didn't the perfect dog breed for you, keep watching because these next breeds will change your mind. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Number 7. Pomeranian. Pomeranians are spirited, affectionate, and compact, weighing 3 to 7 pounds. They don't need much space or exercise, so they're perfect for apartments or smaller homes. While their fluffy double coat requires regular grooming, their lively personality and loyalty make them delightful companions. They're also great watchdogs, alerting their owners to visitors or unusual sounds. These little fluff balls love being the center of attention and will happily follow you around all day. Pomeranians are super smart and enjoy learning tricks, so they're fun to train. Despite their tiny size, they're full of confidence and charm, often acting like they're much bigger than they really are. Seniors will love their cuddly, loving nature. Number 8. Yorkshire Terrier. Yorkies are small, energetic, and incredibly loving. Weighing 4 to 7 pounds, they're easy to carry and handle. These dogs are intelligent and easy to train, making them great for seniors who enjoy engaging with their pets. While their fine, silky coats require regular grooming, their hypoallergenic hair is a bonus for allergy sufferers. Yorkies are small but mighty, with a bold personality and a knack for mischief. They love to explore and have an uncanny ability to charm everyone they meet with their sassy attitude. Also, they are very loyal and make excellent lapdogs, offering plenty of love and companionship. Despite their size, Yorkies are fearless and protective, often acting like little watchdogs. They thrive on attention and love being pampered, making them perfect for someone who wants a cuddly and lively furry friend. Number 9. Shih Tzu. Shih Tzus are affectionate, friendly, and adaptable. They weigh between 9 to 16 pounds, which is easy to carry and care for. These lovable dogs don't need much exercise, just short walks and some playtime would be enough. So they're ideal for seniors with limited mobility. These dogs are nicknamed Little Lions for their luxurious, flowing coats. But don't let their royal look fool you. They're total cuddle bugs who love lounging on your lap and following you around like a shadow. Their long coats do require regular grooming. Many seniors find this routine therapeutic. Shih Tzus are also great for smaller living spaces, like apartments or senior communities. Plus, they're known for their cheerful and laid-back attitude, making them easy to live with. They get along well with visitors and other pets, so you won't have to worry about any drama with this sweet little companion. Number 10. Havanese. Havanese dogs are small, friendly, and adaptable, weighing 7 to 13 pounds. The Havanese is a social butterfly. They love meeting new people and other pets, and their playful, happy-go-lucky vibe makes them the life of the party wherever they go. They're playful yet low maintenance when it comes to exercise, needing only short walks and indoor play. Their soft, silky coat requires regular grooming, but they're hypoallergenic and shed minimally. These sociable dogs are great for seniors seeking a devoted, loving pet. Havanese dogs are affectionate, always ready to cuddle, and they thrive on human interaction. Their cheerful personality and gentle nature make them perfect companions for anyone who wants a dog that's both fun and easygoing. Number 11. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Cavaliers are gentle, affectionate, and great companions. They weigh between 13 to 18 pounds and adjust well to various living situations, whether it's a house or an apartment. These dogs enjoy moderate exercise, like short walks and indoor play, and their silky coats are easy to maintain with regular brushing. Cavaliers are gentle and affectionate, but they've got a surprisingly adventurous side. They're just as happy cuddling on the couch as they are exploring trails or chasing butterflies in the yard. Cavaliers are calm, sociable, and love to snuggle, which makes them wonderful lap dogs. They get along well with other pets and children, making them a great family dog. Plus, their sweet, loving nature means they'll always be by your side, offering plenty of companionship and joy. Number 12. Japanese Chin. The Japanese Chin is a small, adorable dog with a big personality. They're known for being super affectionate and love to stick close to their favorite humans. These pups are pretty laid back and enjoy lounging around, but they also have playful moments, making them a perfect balance of chill and fun. They don't need tons of exercise, just short walks and some indoor playtime to stay happy. Their silky coats look fancy, but they only need brushing a couple of times a week to keep their fur nice and smooth. Japanese Chins are clean and don't bark much, so they're great for a quiet home. For seniors, these dogs are perfect companions. Small, easy to care for, and full of love. Number 13. West Highland White Terrier. West Highland White Terriers, or Westies, are small, spunky dogs with a lot of charm. They're super friendly and love being around people, making them awesome companions. Westies are pretty active and enjoy short walks, some playtime, or exploring the yard. Even though they're energetic, they also love to relax and cuddle after their adventures. Their fluffy white coat needs regular brushing to stay clean and neat, and occasional grooming helps keep them looking their best. Westies are independent, but very loyal, so they're easy to train and fun to be around. Westies are a fantastic match for seniors. They're small, manageable, and full of personality, offering both fun and affection without being too high maintenance. And there you have it. We hope you found your next companion. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Until next time.